Hi, I'm Oliver, and I'm here to break down what you need to know when choosing monitors for your studio setup. When building a home recording studio, choosing the right studio monitors is crucial. Let's get into it. Monitor size is key. Smaller woofers are perfect for compact spaces, while larger ones offer a wider frequency response. The JBL 104BT has a 4.5-inch woofer, ideal for smaller spaces where large monitors may overwhelm. The JBL 7 series offers various sizes, like the 8-inch woofer in the 708P, which delivers robust low-end response. If you're looking for clarity and depth, this size is ideal. A subwoofer adds depth to your low end, but consider your room size before adding one. The JBL LSR subwoofer complements the 3 series monitors perfectly. Next, let's discuss the difference between active and passive monitors. Most monitors that you will find in the studio setting are active, like the JBL 104BT 3 series and 7 series. This means they have built-in power amplifiers, meaning you don't need an external amp. Passive monitors, on the other hand, require an external power source. The JBL 7 series also comes in a passive version. Active monitors are more convenient for most home studios with an easy and convenient setup. A monitor's crossover directs frequencies to specific drivers. The woofer handles the low-end frequencies, while the tweeter takes care of the highs. Monitors can be powered in a single amp, bi-amp, or tri-amp configuration. Now that you know what to look for, you're ready to pick up your own pair of monitors for your studio. Stay tuned for the next episode for tips and tricks on setting up your new monitors in your studio. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pro studio tips. See you next time.